have here this Touchat Fleece throw blanket. It is in black and white check buffalo plaid, instantly upgrading the back of my couch. So I'm going to do like a fall couch here, but this I have here, and it's 50 by 60. So it fits on the back of my couch perfectly. This is a love seat. This is a flannel fleece. It is very lightweight, but it's still cozy, perfect for curling up with a book or a movie on a chilly night without overheating. I have washed this in warm water and gentle dry, and it is wrinkle resistant, and it doesn't shed, which I really like. It doesn't shed, and the checkered pattern looks good from really every angle of the blanket. It is 50 by 60, so I have a 2-cushion love seat, and it fits on the back perfectly. And it comes with a pretty bow, so you can gift it as well very easily. But whether you're staying on a couch or gifting this to someone, this fleece, it really does provide comfort and style in one soft, affordable little package. I'd absolutely buy it again. So cute.